All right, so we're good on Euro pairs. Let's flip to Swiss JPY. I really like this play. Um, ooh, did I get out of this already? I did. So I kind of got lucky on this, even though it was such a clean move as far as the entry goes. God, that was a really bad entry, actually. I dodged a bullet. Based on MACD, it wasn't a good move. Based on the trend here that we could see, it was beautiful. I actually got out of this today, earlier, before this little drop down. There might be another move upwards, but I wouldn't like bet on it, especially with MACD kind of poised the way it is. It looks like it's going to fall soon. So with that said, not really something that I want to still be in. I'm definitely going to watch it. I think it's at an interesting level. I think that we've had some rejection of this area of the fib lately. And you see it's still kind of hanging right there. But this is an important area. So I could probably even, let me go ahead and do that actually. I'm going to zoom out, show you guys how I kind of determine key levels and stuff like that. So right here, right where it says 0% for the fib, kind of where that big move downward started. I'll put key level in right there, and then we're going to go back and see if there were touches or that it had any kind of significance. And it looks like there was a little bit price action. I'm looking for price action that gathers there. I'm looking for single bars that come and touch that area and then react, or reversal levels, something like this. Clearly, reversal level. Clearly a huge important level to pull back to and then drop down crazy like that. So yeah, I think this area is that's a decent area for a key level I can bet on. So with that said, I'm actually going to look for an opportunity to take this lower. So I'm going to look to short now that I've made that money. Turn around and go the other direction with it. So that's what I'm going to be looking at moving forward on this one. Let's see, CAD, JPY, we're still dropping in, and this is, I'm on the right side of this MACD, kind of leaning down. So I think that's what's going to happen here. We burst through two important EMAs on the 4-hour chart, as you can see. 1-hour chart, we're still battling, trying to get through that. If we do get through that, I'm going to go ahead and say it's off the races and wait on it to drop down to about this area. We'll see how far it goes. But yeah, I'm going to see how much we can make on this one, really. And it's going to really have a lot to do with if it's able to break this 50 EMA on the daily. So I'm going to pay attention to that. And then CAD, CHF, looks like I'm in this one as well. Yeah, so I bled a little bit, but I actually got in. Very, very rare that I trade this pair. But it looks like we might drop on that one as well. So CAD and CAD JPY, both CAD pairs, kind of playing those the same. And then CHF, JPY, I'm kind of waiting for an opportunity. All right. And it looks like I got one more video for y'all, so I'll be right back. Peace.